Yeah, good evening, everyone. In the last videos, I think we discussed about up to 13 programs. What is this program? How to find second minimum element in the list. Okay, second maximum element in the list. Up to that we covered. Now we have to go with the remaining programs. Okay, so what are the remaining programs that we have here is you can see the program number 14. What is the 14th program here? Return smaller element in the list which is smaller than x. Okay, so we have to return the minimum element in the list, so which is smaller than the value of x. Okay, so here we have to take the value of x and we need to return the value which is smaller than this value. Sir, let us see how we can able to implement this particular program. Okay, sir, I will explain with the help of a small example. Let us observe carefully. So in this example, I want to read dynamic data from the user. Okay, I want to read this value dynamically from the user. So from that I want to filter. Now let us take one example for understanding this scenario. One second. Yeah, right. Sir, here consider I have a list is there. L is equal to some elements like 9, so 11, 15, so 12, 3, 7, 14, and then 10. Like that I have some elements. Let us consider x is equal to 10. So if you are printing the list, the total value it is going to print, I will implement a function which will take this list and it is going to take the element called x. So we have to return, so the elements, what is the task of the program? Return smaller element in the list. So okay, not elements, smaller elements in the list less than the given element. Okay, so less than the given element, less than the given element x. Okay, we have to return smaller elements in the list which is nothing but less than the given element x. How we can implement this program? Sir, first take the element 9. Is it less than 10? Is it less than 10? Yes, we have to include. Take the next element 11. Is it less than 10? No. Take the next element 15. Is it less than 10? No. Take the next element 12. Is it less than 10? No. Take the next element 3. Is it less than 10? Yes. Then we have to print. So take the next element 7. Is it less than 10? Yes. So print. Take the next element 14. Is it less than 10? No. Sir, take the next element 10. Is it less than 10? No. So like that we have to print. My output should be like this. How to implement this task? I am taking a function and then x. So I want to return a new list. Let it be NL. I am creating a empty list like this, and I'm going to select each and every element from the list. If that element whatever you have selected is less than L means NL dot append of that particular element. That's all. So we are going to fetch one by one element from the existing list, which is nothing but L. And whatever element that you extracted, you have to compare with X. Suppose if it is less than X, we have to append that value into the new list. That's all, sir. Now let us run this code and see what will happen here. So py space I am taking test.py. If you run the program, you can see what is the output that we are getting? 937. Is it my expected output? Yes. This is the way how you can able to find out. Sir, please be on mute while class is going on. Deepak, please be on mute. So it is going to return all the smaller elements which are, I mean, all the smaller elements which are less than the value x. I think you understood this particular problem. Do you have any doubt in this program? Please confirm, everyone. Is the concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. The next program. So count number of elements greater than x. So we are going to give one list at the same time one x value. So what is your task? You have to return the number of elements which are greater than x. How many elements are there greater than x? Seems to be something like this program, but instead of less than we have to take greater than. So what output we are going to get? Let us run this code and check. So these are the elements greater than 10. Am I right? Yes. But what is their question? So they are asking length, whatever output that we are getting. Okay. So just you have to find out, because the anyway the output of this function is nothing but a list, right? We have a function is there called len, which will return the number of elements in the list, which is going to return 4. You can see here. This is nothing but what we have. I think everyone got a clarity about this program also. How to count the number of elements which are greater than x. Is it clear up to this whatever I covered, friends? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Right. So next to program, I want to get the index of the given element x. Here I am going to give one value called x. We have to get the index of that element. For example, if you take this same program, assume I am going to pass a 12. Sir, 12 is available in which location? Can you please tell me? 12
Two.
is available in which location? 0, 1, 2, third location. Am I right? If you want, you can see 0, 1, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. These are the locations. So where this 12 is available? In third location. Suppose if I am giving 14, where it is available? In sixth location. Suppose if I am giving something like 99, is it available? No. Then I have to return -1. So this is nothing but my requirement. How you can able to do? Sir, very simple, sir. Here we have given a list and then the element which you want to search. I will take index value. I will take index value. By default, it is nothing but 0. Okay, by default, it is nothing but 0. I think no need, because we are working with the functions, right? So can I take for each I value in the range? For each I value in the range of, so length of L. How many elements are there in this example? 8 elements are there. Range of 8 means 0 to 7 it will take. Sir, is it index values or not? Yes. Now every time I'm going to check. So is your x value is equal to L of I now? If it is equal, can I say directly we can return that value, right? Otherwise it will keep on run. Finally, if a for loop execution got completed, but it never encountered that element, means what is the meaning? That element is not available. Simply we are going to return -1, like that we have. Let us cross check. Sir, it is available in third location, sixth location, and then -1, like this we have. Okay. So I think this program is also very clear for you. But for this, we have already one function is there in Python list, which is nothing but index and find. There are two methods are there. The purpose of those two methods is the same, which will return index of the given number. Are you clear with this? Please confirm. Yes, please confirm,
Yes,
everyone.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So next to program, I want to check whether the given list is sorted list or not. Okay, we have to check whether the given list is sorted list or not. Sir, how to check whether the given list is sorted list or not? Very simple, sir. Can I can I convert, okay, the given list? Can I convert the given list into set? So if the elements are same, then I can say it is nothing but a sorted list. Otherwise, it is not a sorted list. Like that, we can able to check, sir. Okay. So the given list is sorted list or not, we have to verify. So now I will explain with the help of a simple program and we will see how it is going to work. Suppose consider I am going to pass printf function. I will pass a list where the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So simply I am going to pass a list L. Is it sorted or not? How you can check? Written. Okay, written. Sir, can I say L is double equal to sorted of L? So what sorted of L is going to return? It will return a list with all the elements in sorting order. So original list and sorted list both are same means it is going to return true. For this expected answer is true. Let me cross check. You can see we are getting true. Suppose for the same function, okay, I am trying to call like this. Just I am going to modify the two elements like this. Sir, what output we are expecting? Because L list elements are nothing but these things. Sorted elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is these two list objects are same? No, right? Then immediately it is going to return false. So this is nothing but how you can able to check whether the given list is sorted list or not. Okay. Now, sir, next two programs also I will cover. After that, we can go for doubts. I think nothing is there here. What is the next program is I want to merge two list objects. Okay. So how you can able to do? For example, consider I have first list is there with the elements 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, something like this. And I have second list is there with elements 6, 8, 7, 9, 10, something like this. Then L3 is equal to function of L1 comma L2 I am taking, which should perform merge operation and it should return a list. If you print L1, what are the elements 1, 2, 3, 5, 4? Like this we are going to get. So if you print second list, what output we are going to get? So 6, 8, 7, 9, 10, something like this. And if you print L3, what output we are going to get? Sir, 1, 3, 5, 2. Okay, 4. So 6, 8. Okay, 6, 8, 7, 9, and then 10. Like that, I have to merge. So in this style, I want to implement a function. Let us take the function as fun, and which is taking two list objects L1 and L2. And what this function is going to do? It is creating a new list object. I think we have plus operator is there, which is used to perform concatenation. Just I am concatenating these two list objects, and directly I am going to return that list whatever we created. That's all right. Now let us execute. Is the expected output and this output both are same? Yes. Like this we can perform which operation? Merge operation. I think you people got a very clear idea about this. Okay. So next operation, merge two list objects into third list, and then we have to sort. Okay. I want to merge two list objects into third list, and then we have to sort. Let us see what will happen. So now you can able to see here, L1 is equal to something like this. We have L2 is equal to something like this. But if you sort, what will happen? The elements should be arranged in order. So better I can take L dot sort like this. Automatically, is these objects are going to be sorted or not? Yes. Because all are integer objects, you can see we are getting the data in sorting order. This is nothing but what we have here. I think you understood the concept, how we implemented. Is it clear for everyone? Please confirm. Up to this, whatever I covered, is it clear? Please confirm, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah. So this is the way how you can perform this merging of two list objects. Now let us go for the next operation. What is the next operation here we have? Sir, I want to do, okay, I want to perform the next operation, which is nothing but union of two list objects. Sir, union means what? Suppose if I have two list objects are there, I want to find out union. Union means what? Can you please confirm? What is union? Anyone?
Union means common elements. Common
Hmm,
All the
elements.
element which is available in set L, sorry, list L1 as well as L2.
Yes, sir. So union of two list objects means the elements which are available in the first list and the elements which are available in the second list. Okay, including common elements. 1 second. Right. So union of two list objects. Let us see how it is going to work with this union. Okay. 1 second. Right. So union of two list objects. Sir, how you can find union of two list objects? Sir, I told, I think in the set theory we covered very clearly, but still let me take one example. Sir, I am taking L1 is equal to the elements present in the first list is nothing but, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is not related to the sets, but concept is related to the set theory. And the second list we have like this. Now I want to print fun of L1 comma, so L2 I'm taking two list objects. So my output should be union of these two list objects, like 1 2 3 4 5, so 6 7 8, like this we are going to get. This is nothing but the concept what I have. Okay, so function of I am passing list 1 and list 2, it is taking these two list objects and performing concatenation operation, and it is returning a new list object like this. Okay, so how you can able to implement this? I am defining a function for this purpose. L1 and L2, I am taking two list objects. So what we have to do? L3 is equal to empty brackets I am taking, so I am creating a new list object. Now I am picking one by one element from the first list. Okay, so if that element is not there in L3, means what? First time it will take 1. Is it not there in L3? Yes, sir. Then what will happen? L3 dot append of that I. Then I am taking another element 2. Sir, is it not there? Yes. Then append. So next take the next element. Is it not there? Yes. Append. Take the next element. It is not there. So append. It is not there. Append. Then the same operation you have to do for another one also, like list 2. So select the elements one by one from the list 2 and check whether it is not there in L3. First it will take 4. Is it not there in L3? No, it is there. Then it won't add. So if it is not there, then only I am going to perform append operation. At last we have to return L3. That's all, sir. Now you can cross check. Is it working properly or not? You can see the union, the elements which are present in the first list and the elements which are present in the second list, including common elements, but that common elements is repeated only one time. Like that we are getting. Sir, are you clear with this union of two list objects, how we generated? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please confirm. Right. Sir, the next program you have to tell. What is the next program is intersection of two list objects. I have two list objects are there. I want to perform intersection. Sir, if I perform intersection, what is the output that I am expecting? Please confirm. What will be the output?
4, 5.
Yes, 4 and then 5 common elements present in the first list and second list. Sir, can anyone tell, so what loop, what condition we have to write here so that which will find the elements 4, 5? Can you please tell me? What is the logic behind this?
If it is there in the list, then we can't add that element, and if not, then we will add that element in a new list.
Yes, sir. So we have to get the element one by one from the first list, and we have to check whether that element is there in the second list. If that element is there in the second list, what is the meaning? The element is available in the first list as well as the element is available in the second list. So for each I value in L1, I am selecting one by one item. If that I value is in list 2 also, can you please perform append operation of I? Like that we are going to take. That's all, sir. Now it is going to return the common elements which are present in first list and second list. You can see we are getting 4 and then 5. So this is the way how to find out union and intersection of two list objects. Sir, everyone feeling comfortable up to this whatever I covered?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is the time complexity if I will take set instead of for loop? Because here we are using a for loop, then it will be order of n. And what if I will use only a set?
If you use a set, definitely they are internally implementing in this style only, but we don't know how they are implemented in the internal part, right? So maybe compulsory loop must be required, because so directly these predefined functions also if you take, so predefined functions is not a magical methods. They are not going to calculate directly. Even that methods are implemented internally. In that, like this only they are going to implement. Maybe one or two loops they are going to reduce to improve the performance. Like that they may be implemented, but internal concept is like this only, because we have to take the objects one by one and we have to check whether it is there in the second collection or not. If it is there in the second collection, then only you have to consider that list. I mean, consider that object. So this is the common phenomenon. So, but since we have predefined methods are there for set, for list we don't have. That's why I am implementing how internally it is going to work. But time complexity for every algorithm we can't reduce, sir. Okay, because some basic algorithms will be there, so they have to implement in that style on. So maybe one or two common what you can call one or two iterations we may reduce, but not all. Got it, sir?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now let us go for the next one. Sir, I want to find cumulative sum of each and every element in the list. Sir, what is mean by this cumulative sum? For example, if my list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, my output is, what is the first element? 1. Sum is 1. What is the second element? 2. 2 plus previous element is 1. Sum is 3. Next element 3 plus 3, 6. Next element, first 4 elements sum, which is nothing but 10. So next one, which is going to return 15, like that, cumulative. So every element you have to take, you need to add with its previous element. Okay. If you have multiple previous elements also, we have to take. So, but don't worry, I will take one example and I will demonstrate how it is going to work. Assume I have a list like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, I have a list and I am going to pass this list as a function. So it is going to return another list like 1, 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 will become 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 6 plus 4 will become 10. Okay. Then 15. Like that, it has to return. Let us see how it is going to work, sir. So def, I am taking a function and I am taking a list, and again I am creating another list. Initially sum is equal to 0. I will take every element in the list and I will try to calculate sum. Whatever sum that you have calculated, you need to append that sum to the new list. That's all. So after that, what we have to do? We have to return that list. That's all, sir. Beyond that, nothing. If you want, you can see. Sir, is it coming in this style or not? Yes. This is the way how we can able to find cumulative sum of each and every element present in the list. Are you clear with this? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Right. So what is the next program? So you can see here, check all the elements are unique or not. We have to check each and every element is unique element or not. So directly I will take one example. Suppose consider I am calling a function for this requirement by passing 1 comma 2 comma 3. Sir, is each and every element present in this list is unique? Yes, we have to return true. Assume I am passing so 1. Okay, so 1, again I am passing 1, again I am passing 1. Is all the elements are unique? No. Now I am passing so 1 comma 2 comma 2. Is all the elements are unique? No. So now I am passing function 1 comma 0 comma 5. Is all the elements are unique? Yes. How to check? So the best way, the easiest way, we can convert this given list into set. What is the property of set? My set is going to eliminate all the duplicate elements. So whatever list we have, I'm converting that list into set. So it will remove the duplicates, right? Now I can find the length of the list and the length of the set. Both are same or not. I'm defining a function by taking a list. Now I will return length of the list is equal to. So length of the list or length of the set, I'm converting that list into set. In the first example, what will happen? List is nothing but 1, 2, 3. Set is also 1, 2, 3. So both are having same number of elements. Hence it is going to return true. If you take second list, triple 1, total 3 ones are there. We are converting into set. So that what will happen? We are going to get only one element, which is nothing but 1. Sir, is it having multiple elements? No, it is going to return false. Then what about the next one? 1, 2, 2 is there. Sir, it is going to have only 2 elements because once if you convert it into set, duplicates will be removed. Like that, it is going to work. Let me cross check. Is it correct? Like this we have. This is the way how we can implement this particular program. Okay. Everyone feeling comfortable up to this, whatever I covered?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. So next program, maybe, sir, I will take first these programs. After that, I will go for these rotations. So next program is nothing but, so program number 24. So I want to find sum of first element, last element sum, second element, second last element sum, and so on. We have to find. Suppose if my list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Otherwise, let us take 1, 4. Okay. So 2, 7, 3, 5, something like this. Sir, take the first element 1. Take the last element 5. 1 plus 5. My result is 6. Next element 4. From last next element 3. 4 plus 3, 7. Take the third element 2. Take the last third element 7. 2 plus 7, 9. Sir, what will happen if I am having odd number of elements? Then no problem, sir. Same story. 1 plus 5, which will become 6. 4 plus 3, which will become 7. Sir, 2 plus 2, which will become 4. Like that, we have to find out. I think yesterday somewhere I explained the reverse concept, reverse algorithm. Same thing we have to apply here. Okay. I am taking a function and I will pass these elements as a input. Okay. Maybe we are expecting a tuple, something like that, or better, we can implement manually. That will be good. So list 1 is equal to, this is nothing but my list. And list 2 is equal to, same elements I will take, but I will remove one element here. Now observe carefully. I will pass these two lists to the function, first list and the function of second list. So what is my function is going to take? My function is going to take one list object. So I will declare two pointers, like left pointer is equal to 0. Okay, right index. Better I will take R index, left, right index, left index, both I am taking. Okay. Sir, can I say, is it length of the list? Length of the list minus 1. Then I'm going to check while left index is less than or equal to right index. Then what is your task? Sir, you have to print L of left index, L of left index. So plus L of right index. These two values we have to add and take end is equal to space. And immediately left index plus is equal to 1. So right index minus is equal to 1. Like this we have to take. That's all. So automatically it is going to calculate, sir. If you want, let us run this code. Sir, is it correct? 679674. Is it correct? 679. Sir, it is not to get only 679. Only 679 we have to get. But 674, why it is coming? We are calling second function, right? So the output for second line. Yeah. 679, 674. Is it correct? 679, 674. Like that, we can able to calculate. Sir, everyone please confirm. Is the concept is clear for this program? Yes, please confirm.
Sir, can you please repeat 4068 line once again?
Hmm.
Sir, can you please repeat 4068 line once again?
4068. Sir, very simple. Do you know, if you take this list, what are the elements that we have? 1, 4, 2, 7, 3, 5. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So here one pointer is pointing at a beginning location. This is called as a left index. And one pointer is pointing at the right side. So we are adding the element present in the left index and we are adding the element present in the right. 1 plus 5. This is the first output. Okay. Then we are incrementing left index by 1 unit and we are decrementing right index by 1 unit. Now left index element is 4 plus this one will become 7, which is the 7. Got it, sir? Because they are asking sum of first element, last element. So second element, second last element, and so on. Got it?
Yes, sir. Like we are having a two-pointer approach in C++ or in Java.
Yes. In Java and C++ also we have to implement in this same style only.
But that there the concept is known as a two-pointer approach.
Here also we didn't use a negative pointer. I used one positive pointer only, but which is pointing at the last. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right?
So,
So
sir,
you can see.
can we say it's also a two-pointer approach?
Yeah, we can use, but the problem is we can't reach to the middle, right?
Got it.
So that is the reason to manipulate this, we are going to use this concept,
Got it.
right? Right. Now let us go for the next program. So 25th program. So we have to print all the elements in the list in waveform. So the people who are coming from electronics background, I think you know very well. So how the waveform will be, okay? Sir, do you know first whatever list they have given, you have to sort the list. If you sort, what will happen? 1, 2, 3, so 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this we are going to get. But the expected output is first 1 and then 3. Next 2, okay. Next we have to take 4, okay. So 1 second, 1, 1, 3. Yes, first least element, otherwise first highest element, next least element, next highest element, next least element, next highest element, next least element, next highest element. Sir, is it in waveform? Yes. If you see, 2 is the largest element, 1 is the least element, 4 is the largest element, 3 is the least element, 6 is the largest element, 5 is the least element, 7 is the largest element. Okay, like that we can display. So, or even you can take the smallest element first. Sir, how you can do that? First 1 and then 3. Okay, next 2 I am taking. 2 after that 4 I am taking. So next after 4, smallest element is nothing but sir, 1, 3. Okay, after that 2, 4. What is the next element? Can I take 6? One
Yes.
second. 1 is the smallest element, 3 is the largest, 2 is the smallest. Then after 2, I can take 5, then 4. Okay, so then 7, so then 6. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see. So 1 least element, 3 highest element, 2 least, so 5 highest, 4 least, 7 highest, 6 least. Like that we are going to get. Sir, everyone please confirm, is the concept whatever I covered, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir, next and after that, let us go for implementation of this program. So if you take the same list, consider this is nothing but my list what we have, and assume I am going to assign L is equal to, this is the element. Sir, first step we have to sort. If you sort, automatically what will happen? All the elements will be sorted in ascending order. Then we have to filter, sir. How you can get? Sir, I am maintaining one index value starting from 0. Is it correct? Which value we have to print? 0th index only, first time. So index is equal to 0 until the value of index is less than length of the list. What is the activity I am doing is, so print of So which elements we have to print, sir? 1 and 3. Okay, 1 and 3. Can I say is it 0th location? And this one is what? 0th location, first, second location. Or better, I can identify these two. Sir, what is the index of 1? It is nothing but 0. What is the index of 3? 0, 1, 2. Okay, 0, 1, 2. So print of, so L of index value I am printing, comma L of index plus 2, comma end is equal to space. Now you can see, sir, first time what is the value of index? Let me take one example. L is equal to, I am taking, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Okay, so 0th location, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Index is equal to initially 0. So when it is coming 0, we are printing the 0th location element and then 0 plus 2 second location. Sir, 1 and then 3. Then after that, I am taking index is equal to already available index plus 2. Now what output we are going to get? Now the index value will become 0 plus 2, 2. We are printing the element which is available at 2. Okay, we are printing the available element which is available at 2. So otherwise better plus 1 I am taking. Now observe carefully. Sir, your I value is equal to 1. L of index, L of 1 we are printing, and 1 plus 2 will become 3. In first location which element is there? 2. In third location which element is there? 4. Next I will become 2. I will become 2. Then what will happen, sir? So the value second location element I plus 1, I will become 1 only, right? Plus 1, 2. But already the element which is available second location got printed. How you can resolve this problem? Any idea?
You may get, sir, odd number of indexes element, odd index element.
Better I will start from 1. If 1 is less than, can I take L index minus 1 and index plus 1? Now see, if index is equal to 1, which elements we are printing? L of 0 and L of 1 plus 1, 2. Is it correct? In 0th location we have 1 is there. In second location we have 3 is there. Okay, then I is equal to 2. Okay, or if you take I is equal to 3, 3 minus 1 means 2. No, if you take I is equal to 2, 2 minus 1 means, so 1 and then 2 plus 1 means 3. In first location we have 2 and in third location we have 4. Okay, then your I value will become 3. So 3 minus 1 will become 2. 3 plus 1 will become 4. In second location we have 3. In fourth location we have 5. The problem is second location is repeating. Yes, any idea how we can resolve this problem?
Sir, what problem?
What problem? Sir, you didn't read the problem statement.
No, sir. Actually,
We have to print the list in the waveform. like a smallest element, next largest element, like that.
Okay.
Sir, I'm seeing that for the iteration in odd number, it is taking even number of indices. Like for I is equals to 2, iteration 2, it is taking 1 and 3. And
I will do one thing. I got one logic. Sir, instead of taking instead of printing, I will do swapping, sir. Okay. Like if you have 1, 2, 3, so 4, 5, 6, 7. So what I will do is I will start from the index 1. Okay, and I will swap so list of I, okay, list of I comma list of I plus 1. These two elements I will swap. When I is equal to 1, what will happen? This is 0th location, first, second, third, fourth, so fifth, sixth. If I is equal to 1, we are going to swap which elements? So first comma 1 plus 1, 2. These two elements will be shifted. Then I value I will increment by 2 units. So 1 plus 2 will become 3, right? 1 plus 2, I will change this to 2. Then what will happen, sir? So it is going to change 3 comma 3 plus 1, 4. So here it will be shifted with 5 and then 4. Then I is equal to 3 plus 2 means 5. So it is going to shift 5 comma 6, I mean swapping. Now is it correct, sir? 1, 3, next 2, next 5, next 4, next 7, next 6. Is it correct, sir? Is the logic is correct?
yes, sir.
So how I am going to do here is I will start the index value with 1. I will start index value with 1. Then I will write a for loop or I will take a while loop. So until your I value is less than length of the list minus 1, because we should not take the last element. So what we are doing here, I will swap L of I comma L of I plus 1 is equal to L of I plus 1 comma L of I. What will be the next I value? I is equal to I plus 2. Sir, after that I am printing the value of list. Now you can see what output we are going to get. Sir, name I is not defined, array. So I am using index, better shift it to I. Sir, is the modification done? Yes. So I think everyone got a clarity about so how we can able to print the elements in waveform. Sir, is the concept is clear? Everyone please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, but need to practice.
Yes, compulsory.
Yes.
Right. Can I go for next program?
Definitely, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So what is the next program here? We have program number 26th. So we have to split the array based on the position, sir. Okay, we have to take one position value and we have to break the list. For example, consider I have the elements like this. Okay, I will ask the user to give the position. So int of input, enter the location to split. Okay, so let us take that one as a location. Sorry, I will print the list first. Then what is your task? You have to divide up to that. Can I say starting from 0th location to up to whatever position you have given, up to that one list will be there, and from position to ending we can take another list. That's all, because we have slice operator is there, right? It is very easy. Now see, enter the location to split. So consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to split from 6th location. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to this we got one list, and from that we got another list. Maybe you can consider it as a number, not index. Okay, so suppose if I am giving 2, then what will happen? First two elements will be there, rest of the elements. Suppose if I am giving 0, now you can see So up to 0 empty list and remaining things we are going to get. Suppose if I am giving 10, you can see, so 10 elements are there in the second list, it is empty. Like based on this slice operation, just I am going to divide the list. Sir, everyone feeling comfortable up to this, whatever I covered, please confirm.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. So with this, I'm going to stop today's session. Sir, tomorrow we are going to see this left rotation, right rotation, and a few more programs. And tomorrow class is there at 6:30 p.m. sir. 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. 1.5 hours I'm going to take. Anyway, I will inform this information in the group also. Please join at 6:30 p.m. I will give reminder in the group also. Okay. Right, sir. Thank you. So tomorrow we will finish this list of programs, as well as I am trying to start matrix related programs also. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, one doubt.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm not there in the group, sir. Just who is admin? Just let me know, sir.
Sir, you have my number, right?
Don't have, sir. I don't have your number.
Yeah, please send a message to this WhatsApp number, sir. 7386237319. So your email ID, your name, with that, just send a WhatsApp message to this number. I shared in the chat window also. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
So
Yeah.
I will add you. If anyone is not there, please send today. I will add. And I will upload the running notes within few minutes. You can download. Any other queries?
Sir, once just go through the previous slides, sir. I have not taken your number.
Yeah, I pasted in the chat window. You can check it.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Yeah, I updated the running notes also. You can download, sir. Yeah, thank you. See you tomorrow at 6:30.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.